everyone, welcome to our video. Let's begin with the book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge of class 5 by Serifakera Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with another chapter today, that is chapter number 35, Popular International Games. Read and learn about these popular international games. The first game that they have given over here is Kho-Kho. Kho-Kho is a traditional Indian sport that dates back to ancient India, and Kho-Kho is played on a rectangular court with a central lane connecting the two poles which are at the either end of the court. So these are the players who are playing over here. Kho-Kho, I know you must have been playing this game also in your schools, in your society, etc. It's a very common game which is played nowadays. Next is Polo. Polo is a horseback ball game, a traditional field sport and one of the world's oldest known team sports. It is the objective of scoring is using a long-handled wooden mallet to hit a small hard ball through the opposing team's goal. Now what the thing is, just like in football, the players have to goal into the opposite team. Similarly, in polo, the players, they handle a wooden mallet. This is the mallet, and with this they have to hit a small ball against the opposition's goal. Muay Thai is another game. It is a boxing is a combat sport. Muay Thai boxing is what? It is a combat sport that uses stand-up striking and various clinching techniques. This is the image of the Muay Thai. Next we have the sumo fight. Sumo, it is a form of competitive full contact wrestling where a rikishi attempts to force his opponent out of the circular ring or into touching the ground with any body part other than the soles of his feet. Means the soles of the feet can touch the ground, but if any other body part of the sumo wrestler or the rikishi touches the ground, then it will be thought of as that you have beaten up the opponent. So this was all about the various kinds of sports. Then this is all on this page. Let's now move to the next page. On the next page, we have the first sport given over here is Taekwondo. Taekwondo or Taekwondo is a Korean form of martial arts, and it is characterized by punching and kicking techniques. You can see here, okay, and with the emphasis on head height kicks. The kicks can be head high, okay, and spinning jump kicks are also there, and fast kicking techniques also. Next we have this game which is called as crochet. Crochet is a sport that involves hitting wooden or plastic balls with a mallet through hoops embedded in the grass playing court, and 2, 4 or 6 players can play in a crochet. Next we have the Chaturanga. Chaturanga, this you can also call it as chess. This is an ancient Indian strategy game. The mirrors dynamics of a battlefield on its 64 square board. Now here's a question for you children. Have you ever tried learning Taekwondo, and which is your favorite sport? So this was all about this. Now let's do the quiz. The first question in the quiz here given is that which game focuses on head high kicks, and the answer for this question is Taekwondo. Next we have the second question. Sumo is a form of what kind of competitive wrestling? And the answer for this question is it is a full contact kind of a wrestling. Then the third, which is the horseback ball game? And the answer for this question is polo. The fourth question given over here is which is the second most popular tag game in India? And the answer is Kho-Kho. So this was all about the A part. Let's now we do the B part, that is the fill in the blanks. And the first question is the fighting sport in which fighters use their fists, elbows, feet and knees to strike each other is called Muay Thai. The next is dash is a game where you hit wooden or plastic balls with a wooden hammer through a set of hoops that are fixed to the ground. And what is the answer for this question? The answer is croquet. Next we have the board game that was played in ancient India and is an ancestor of the chess, and this is known as Chaturang. Next we have the last one. A sumo wrestler is called dash, and the answer for this question is Rikishi. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.